Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have OBS installed and opened as admin. Now begin by creating a scene and adding a source. Choose Display Capture for full screen or window capture for a specific app, then pick the monitor or window. Next, set your recording path and file type. Use MKV to avoid corrupt files if interrupted. Finally, assign a hotkey for start/stop recording so you can control captures hands-free. Once done, check the preview to confirm your source is visible and properly framed. Now you tune quality for performance. Pick an encoder. Use hardware NVENC for low CPU usage or X264 for max quality. Then choose a bitrate, 6,00012, 000 kbps for 1080p 60. Set output resolution and FPS to match your goals and GPU capacity. Route audio. Create separate tracks for microphone and desktop sound so you can edit them later, and enable monitoring to hear live levels. Adjust mic gain and desktop. Start recording and watch the red indicator. Make a short test recording to verify audio and video are captured correctly. When finished, stop and open the saved file. If you used MKV, remux to MP4 inside OBS for editor compatibility. Rename and backup your files immediately. If you encounter a black screen, try changing the capture method or run OBS as administrator to fix permission issues. If audio is out of sync, enable a /V timestamping or adjust sync offset for the mic until lip movement matches sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.